That one would be mine.
I like that blue one over there. So easy to work on. I mean, just like, the power in a nice car. Jaguar has actually always wanted to rebuild it. Just anybody can put a nice engine in a car, rebuild it.
Wow, that is so pretty.
And go all the way down to the bare bones, just rebuild everything, clean everything up. Anybody can do that. I mean, I even know I can do it. Even me, yeah. Even me. Oh, I gotta have that. I gotta have it. No. Oh my God, no, I gotta have it. So, what he did was bring the guy to pick it up and go and
Yeah, it's just the same.
Look at that one. That's a Chevelle. It's like the old Chevelle or something. Ooh, that's big. Oh, that's big. All the big boys over here, that's all the little ones. We're going to stick them in the corner. These cars bad, though. These little cars over in the corner.
I know, I'm looking at them.
I know. That's one door, fast and loud, and he's always looking for one door, two doors.
Wow, nice cars. That pretty red one, that red.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Nice.
That is
That's a pretty color there. I like red. Wow. Nice.
Oh my God, what's that? Javelin? You do not see them very often. AMX Javelin, they are not around anymore. I swear, I've probably Now, it may have seen one in a movie or something, but
Really?
yeah, javelin. I mean, these are like never see them. Wow. Oh boy, oh boy. Instead of funk, you got some good smell in there. I don't want no funk in my car. No funk. Thanks for there, buddy. A big old tire.
Well, I love that, the big tire right there.
Looking awesome.
That is freaking awesome, man. Shit.
That's looking awesome.
Look at that, that's a damn. In case you tumble or something, man, hold you in.
This is Dexter, yeah.
Yeah.
He must race big.
I want it.
Probably at the speedway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not just that people be coming out here.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Just check him out.
Cool.
Those are all sharp. They're nice.
I really do like the seats in that car.
Me
Nice
too.
and black.
That's got the one for race.
Yeah.
Well, I think you might, you want to get one. You want one? I don't want one, but if you got